Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you also having issues with Snapchat messages not loading on Android? Then this video is just for you. To solve this issue, there are three proven solutions. Number 1. Check your internet connection and speed. To do so, go to Google and run a speed test. If your internet is slow, turn on your airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off. Then turn on Wi-Fi. Connect to a stronger Wi-Fi or use mobile data. Number 2 is to go to Settings. Scroll down to find Apps. Now select Snapchat. Now you have to enable Files and Media. Go back again. Tap on Battery. Enable No Restrictions. Then go back and tap on Storage. Now you have to tap on Clear Data. Go back to your home page and tap Google Play Store. Now search for Snapchat. If you have an update pending, update it. Now go back to Snapchat. Your problem should be solved. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.